everyone, greetings everyone, welcome back to the Spartan vlog. For those that are new, welcome to the stream for the first time, welcome to the first new video, welcome to the first new video, new idea I started today. For those that are new, my name is Master Chief 117, or Master Chef, or Colin for short, and those that are returning, welcome back. Today we're going to do some Pokemon cards opening today. Some Pokemon card opening, so I got some Pokemon packs we're going to open up today. Here's a couple packs we're going to open. This is a Pokemon special Pokemon. I don't know the names because it's right behind, but this is probably Fusion and regular. And I got some Target. I'll have 3 Pokemon cards: Thundurus, Landorus, and Tornadus from the Pokemon series, from the Black and White series. Also, I'll be opening a Pokemon 10 that has to feature Dark card I got from Walgreens, right here. And I got the Elite Trainer box with Fusion Strikes right here as well. So we're gonna open those today, and let's see what we got. Sorry for the intermission, everyone. I thought you want to have the light a little lower. So I just want to. Yeah, looks like my chair's not designed to be that. My favorite chair. I don't want to lean all the way back because I have to lean into my table. So I apologize the way I'm looking, because this chair. This is what happens. This is why I'm sitting like this. Oh, actually, I guess it works either way. But welcome, and we're gonna do some Pokemon card opening. So we're gonna open from here. We'll open these training cards we got from Target. Let's see what we got here. I also have a binder, so we'll put the cards in this binder. I'm a Yu-Gi-Oh player, so I have a binder, so I know how to put cards away. So let's open these Pokemon cards up and see what we got. And yeah, it's late at night, everyone. I do my vlogs at night now. We're gonna give me a minute here. We'll get everything set up. So I got a Blastoise coin here. I'll try to bring close zooms as I can. Alright, so one moment here, I'm gonna adjust the camera. It's a little not zoomy as I was hoping for. Okay, that's a little better. So y'all can see my cards. I got Tornadus, Landorus. Oh, Landorus. This is the Thundurus. They're like the 3 god Pokemons that are in the Unova region, Black and White. So here are the cards. Oh. Alright, so here are the cards. Thundurus. This is Tornadus and Landorus. So 3 interesting cards. I don't know the value or rarity, so. And I got the Blastoise, so you might not see it because it's dark. And I have to put the light very low. Alright, so the first pack I got a Fusion Strike. So I got a Totodile, a Comet, a Baneri, a Copulus, a Mudkip, a Sandshrew. Oh, this is a Sonum. I can't remember. A Cloyster, a Water Energy card, Englass, Power Tablet, Barrett. That's not bad. Okay, I got my Landorus, Tornadus, and Thundurus. So not bad, not bad. Alright, we're gonna open the Vivid Voltage booster pack. Put all the garbage in here. Anyway, it's my first time with the Pokemon pack. I'm still adjusting the camera, so I don't know. I have another Pokemon video opening up later, so I'll do another one later. I will adjust the camera better. This is just experimental for now. I will put this camera on the table, so I'm gonna try with the tripod first, and I just make it zoomer. So if you notice the camera, I'll try to be a little close to see my face in the cards. A Phanpy, Yes, I got it. Oh, sorry. I got the Vampy right here. I'll put it here so you guys can see it. A Yama, a dragonfly. A Galarian Meow. Dustnair. A Voltorb from the Kanto region. Ooh, it's like an Ultra, or I think it's Ultra Slugma. Garnet from Aloha. Energy. Pindicure, I just can't pronounce this, but a lot of Pokemon's name, the newer ones. Loudron. And Memory Capsule. That's it for that first pack, everyone. So, I got my Darkrai. I got my Darkrai here, everyone. Darkrai. Alright, so we got a different Fusion Strike, another Fusion Strike. Like I said, I haven't opened booster packs, so I'm sorry I'm struggling, everyone. Booster packs not easy to open. I gotta get used to doing it very often. There we go. Alright. Smeargle, the artist Smeargle. I got a Smeargle. A Corvana. I got a Corvana. Clamperl. I can't. This is from Galera. A Skarmory. Diggsbroy, the evolved form of. Like I said, I botched a lot of Pokemon's name. Aquarin. I got. Like I said, I'm sorry, I'm botching a lot of these names. Energy. I'm a Pokemon fan. Like I said, I don't know all these Pokemon, all the newer ones yet. A Marshtomp. Semi-Search, and a crossover card. Alright, we'll open another one. We'll get this from the Evolution Sky. Next one, I got an Emolga. It's kind of cool. Piggy Poo. A Bagon. A Love Disc. A Dig Gloves card, power up. A Goliath. A Fighting Energy. A Snowleaf badge. Albarga from the Sinnoh. A Gory train. It's a trainer card. Alright, a Chilling Region booster pack. Golett. Yep, so here's the Golett. A Porygon. A trainer card, O Cemetery. Urshifi from the new. I can't remember. Urshifi. Energy. Fall Crystal. Number T. I can't pronounce these names. Dizzit. Oh, you guys look. I can't pronounce all the Pokemon's names. Alright, so far we opened most of the packs. Here's the final one. The Elite Trainer Box Fusion. Got for GameStop. I'm not sponsored. This is just I got from this from GameStop here. So there's a deck box. Let's open it up. Sorry, I'm just a one-man crew right now. Like I said, when my channel gets a little better, I will spend more. For now, just me right now. That's pretty much it. And a little brother just help me film at the time. Alright, so we got from the Elite Trainer box right here. It's like an Elite Trainer with player guide. There's a lot of lists of Pokemon. It's a lot of lists here. I'm not gonna go through all. Let's open the box. So open the box. Ooh, it's not bad. Oh, that's not bad. I like it. Listen, I'm a Pokemon player. I play Pokemon Go. I used to play Pokemon game. I just don't play the new ones. So I got Fusion Strikes. A lot of Fusion Strikes. And also sleeves from the Mew. And more Pokemon cards right here. I'm not sure what these... Oh, these... Oh, I know what these are. Alright. So, open... Alright, so y'all can't see it. I'll open it right here one at a time. Because I want y'all to see the Pokemon cards. I'm going to have to figure out how to adjust this camera better for any future Pokemon. So I'm opening the pack here. Alright. First card is a Plusso. Muna. A Meow. A Marrow. I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not going to even pronounce a lot of these. I got this one. Digress. Energy. Globotech. Dirt Boy. Cindy. Like I said, guys, I will not know all the Pokemon's names. I just figure out how to pronounce it, because they pronounce it a certain way. I do know a lot of my Pokemon. It's not all of them. Alright, another Fusion Strike. Let's take a look. Alright, so Q-Fan. Impet. Like I said, I can't pronounce these. This is from the Fusion Strikes there, so. Sinnoh. Another one of those. An Onix. Jigglypuff. Brookdale. Azularu. Energy Grass. Cross Switcher. Garbodor. So like I said, everyone, I do apologize for watching. Like I said, I'm a Pokemon. I should know all the Pokemon's names. If I do know, I just gotta remember who they are. Alright, so Clamperl. I'll cut that out. Mokopi. Skarmory again. Shelmet. A Durant, an ant. Ooh, Dodrio. Electric Energy. Dunsparce. A Dancer card. Polygon and Panda Bear. Alright, let's open another Fusion Strike here. Heliotop again. A Wooloo. A Glassfru. Another Mudkip. A Sandshrew again. Oh, Palosan. A Claydol. I think I got some supers and ultras on some of these cards. Fire Energy. A Lopunny. Ooh. Hariyama. Bellum. Alright, open another pack. Sorry you just can't see it. Like I said, I'm still trying to sort out a camera issue here. A Jinx. A Mantine. A Growlithe. My cards fell. Not every one of my cards just fell down. There we go. Sorry about that. I'll lose my cards. A Rotom. A Smew. Earlikit. Oh shit! I got no Landorus. Energy. Oh. Yeah, it's training Shauna. Bennington, legendary. Earlikit again. So another pack from the Fusion Strike. I have one more Pokemon pack coming, but it's delayed. My order's been delayed, so it's on its way. Shelmet again. Plusso. Muna. a Meow, a Marrow, a Tuxel, and there's like I don't know the value. I didn't see the Ultra or Super. Polo Sand again. Energy card. Mana Buzz. The regular Ninetales. Farewell Bell. Two more packs. Two more packs of Pokemon cards here to open. Marwa. Magati. Panpour. One of the Panpour here. I got a Panpour. Sorry, the light's a little messed up, so I apologize. I'm working on the lighting. Sudile. Skarmory again. Slugma. Origoro. Water Energy. Elsa, the trainer. Juna. Slugnote. I can't pronounce this Pokemon. I know this one. Ash has this Pokemon for evolved. Like I said, I do apologize for botching a lot of these Pokemon cards things, but if you got the Fusion Strike, you might have some of these cards already, or some you don't have. Alright, so my last pack, I'm going to open the Fusion Strike again. Smear again. Corvana. Clamperl. This one here again. Skarmory. Trevant, a Ghost and Psychic. Vikavolt. Energy card. A Schoolboy training card. Silent and his brothers training card. Ooh. Gliscor. Right here. I got a Gliscor. Okay, that's all for the booster packs. We're gonna open these other Pokemon cards that we got here. So basically, I guess all these are energy cards. You know, if I play Pokemon first, all just energy cards. They have a variety for water, fire. You get the idea. All energy cards, everyone. So I just got all the energy cards. So that's cool. Ooh, and I also got some dice. That's nice. Nice. Everyone, but that's pretty much it. That's my first Pokemon opening card, Bailey. I will do more eventually. I might do one more, and later in the future, I don't know if I want to do that. We'll see. But that'll be the Pokemon opening card. I have one more pack of cards coming in, so we'll do another video later during the week when I get the other pack and get one more set. But I didn't get many of the bad cards. I was hoping to get some of the good ones, but I tried. But the Landorus, Tornadus, and Thundurus, these three are the best ones I like, are my three best ones for these openings, so I appreciate everyone coming by my stream, coming by my vlog, but, you know, more Pokemon card opening soon, and I might do this, some more of these Pokemon cards opening coming very soon, more of these Pokemon cards, more Pokemon card opening coming Pokemon opening trading cards coming very soon, everyone. Very, very soon. We'll see. I wish everyone the best. Have a good night. And thank you again. Also, here's another thing I'm going to do. Another video. Next video idea will be, if you want to comment down below, do you want me to do a Lego Star Wars build set? So, you want me to build this Lego sets? I have Lego sets. If you want me to do that in the future video, please let me know in the comments and descriptions below. Please let me know if you want to do a Lego Star Wars. Build the entire battle pack and put it on a table. Show you what I've been showing you the entire. I have 2 battle packs from the 501st Legion. One's the Ahsoka with a 3-1 over troopers, and one's a ATRT in a in a speeder bike. But I appreciate everyone coming by my vlog again. This is This is my second vlog, and this is the new one for Pokemon opening. It's not. I'm sorry, you know, it wasn't that great, but like I said, it's new. I done training cards. I know Pokemon cards for a year. I just never play it. I'm not a Pokemon player like that. I'm just a game person. I'm a Yu-Gi-Oh. But again, thank you everyone again for coming by. Have a good night, Spartans, and I wish you the best. Until then, good luck, boys and girls, Spartans. Until next time, goodbye, everyone.